Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start search for an app. Write Microsoft Edge and hit the search button. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. And here you can customize it, so you can add or sign up to account in order to synchronize this device with many other that are using this browser. I'm not gonna do that, do it later. From here you can also accept or decline, set up sharing preferences for Microsoft. I'm gonna decline it and then press confirm. You can set Microsoft Edge browser as a default browser, so yes, let's do it. Here select Edge and then always. So right now Microsoft Edge is your default browser and it should work properly. You can open any website that you want. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.